It's like butter. Damn, still doesn't fit. A little bit more.
Take a little off the top. Nothing's getting through this.
Probably my most viral car, most viewed car on the YouTube channel is definitely our boy Roach back here. Roach is my 2008 Z06 that has had quite the eventful ownership, to say the least. If you guys have been watching the channel long enough, you have seen this car has had quite the journey. I bought it, I want to say 2 years ago now. I bought it in December. I traded in my RCF, or sold my RCF to get this thing and try out the Chevy platform. I am a Mustang guy. I got into cars because of Mustangs. I made videos off of Mustangs, and this was my first time really branching into the Chevy market. Everybody said this was the best of the best driver's car, so I picked one up, and I was very unlucky with my purchase. As I mentioned, and as you guys saw, if you watched the videos after picking this thing up, day one, I got a ticket literally an hour after picking it up, and then I drove it to my buddy's shop, J Velocity Motorsports, to find out it was blown up. About a year later and $25,000, we have a completely refreshed motor in this thing. We made 630 wheel horsepower on E85. It has been an absolute beast, super, super fun car, but there's been one comment that is in every single comment section. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, everybody keeps mentioning it, and it's the hood. This thing looks extremely aggressive. The side profile is crazy with the high rim sticking up. Not to mention, we have the billet spacer right here that brings it up even higher. But a lot of people think that this makes the car look super incomplete and that I need to do some sort of hood. Now, I've been kind of avoiding this because I don't see how this is gonna fit. We're gonna have to cut the thing literally all the way down. I don't know. We'll go through the logistics of it because I got the hood over here. We picked this thing up a couple weeks ago, and to be honest, it's been sitting here. This sat outside for like the entire 2 years. So if we do get this thing cut today and have it fit up and I like it, I'm gonna have to get this thing probably paint corrected, repainted, because the corners are all chipped. I'm pretty sure it fell onto the cement one time. This definitely needs some work, but I think our plan of today is try to get this hood on just to see, just to show people what this would look like with the hood and if we need to keep it that way, or if we should rock with the complete hoodless look, or maybe even do neither of the two and go get like some sort of bubble or cowl hood that maybe can fit the higher am a little bit better. Johnny, are you excited for our little arts and crafts project today?
I'm actually very excited.
Do you think it's gonna fit? Do you think it'll look good? I have a strong feeling it's just gonna be like two big flaps and it's gonna fly off while we're driving.
Probably.
So I know we're gonna have fun cutting it either way, but what's your opinion? Do you think it's gonna look better with the hood or without the hood?
With the hood.
You think?
I think we can make it look pretty good enough. Pretty good enough. Yeah,
pretty good enough?
That's it.
Okay, yeah, we'll make it pretty good enough. If not, there are some cowl hoods on the market that'll, you know, have to be cut a lot less than this one. I just, I'm not gonna lie, I have not wanted to buy one. So the worry is this guy right here, because the height, definitely, I mean, if we cut all the way down to the center of the hood to the bottom, we're just gonna have two flaps. And if it catches wind, I'm imagining it just flying from behind. Does that sound right? Does that sound about right? Am I picturing that in my head right?
I mean, you'll have the latches, but
on this side, like it won't.
Yeah, this is gonna flap, and then right here it might flap a little.
That's bad. I can't even find the hole.
I'm usually pretty good at that.
Oh, I found the hole.
Oh. Oh my gosh, I'm in.
I'm cross-threaded as
Crossthread is a good thread.
It took me 35 seconds of doing this to where I'm like ready to throw this thing. I'm about to, oh my god, I dropped the washer.
Oh, don't go out that far. There's bolts in this side.
Got it.
Oh. Stop cross-threading, you piece of shit.
Probably should have done struts before the hood.
That's a good point, Cole. Whoever wins this thing, John was the one that decided to rip him out instead of just doing it the proper way.
What is the proper way?
They're tabs like that. All right, this thing looks really good.
Does it?
Yeah.
Is that mold?
Maybe. still think we're off. We haven't even watched one video. Neither one of us have ever owned a vet, cut a high ram.
Cut it. Okay.
I don't know if you go, do you go? Yeah, you gotta go all the way up,
It's
right?
all the way.
You gotta go all the way up.
Well, I mean, you had to cut into your rain cowl.
Oh, no, I really didn't.
So I
That's how
don't
they come stock.
think you're gonna fit anything with this.
This is literally the line.
All right, so going back now. Actually, they're still kind of dead. So you sure you want to do that? Bro, your line isn't even straight. You got a dick curve to it. Look at that.
That's the minimum we need to cut. Then we take the little drum.
I said I'm drawing out the cut. There, right?
Yeah.
But you should start where it's hitting
Yeah,
down
then you
here.
start where it hits.
But you're gonna have to cut that. I just figure that gives you more room to like close it, then you can see where you're cutting.
It doesn't because it's not even hitting right there. It's hitting
It
up
won't
there.
close anymore.
It ain't gonna close anymore until
I'm
we cut up
I'm
there.
just a camera guy.
Me too.
I'm just saying, you can't, you're like, that'll give us more room. It won't.
To look.
What do you mean to look?
To like look
You got
under.
a 6-inch window of looking right there.
6'7".
Yes. So if I cut that, it quite literally does nothing for us.
It's literally you're just jumping up ahead of a few steps, and you're getting the
You know
cutting
what?
anxiety out of the way.
Get this? I'm just gonna listen to what John says, and I'm gonna do it. And if it doesn't go well, we all know whose fault it is.
Parker didn't want to make like custom. Nothing's getting through this, man. Look at him. Oh fuck. Ah fuck.
We found a design flaw in version 1.
Ow! Oh! Oh fuck.
Oh!
Oh, that hurts so bad.
Was it worth the clip though?
I hope. Good cut pretty easily. Oh!
It's like butter. Damn, still doesn't fit. A little bit more.
Took a little off the top. The bugger. Make my shit straight. Bitch ass.
I don't think I was doing it straight. I'm definitely at an angle. Punching it didn't work. Mechanic! Oh my god, you can already see. Damn!
Look at it! Looking good. I'm talking shit.
What's the play once we're done?
We'll clean it up and we'll put a little ring thingy. It's called the edge. Like a little bit of rubber seal. So that when it sits against, it'll be super tight. No rain will get in it. And it'll look clean. This is just the template so we know how much to cut. But you'll see the vision as it slowly
Okay.
becomes a reality.
Okay. So we're kind of getting somewhere here. Obviously, we're gonna have to cut more than this, but you got to just start and keep moving your way out. John, if you'll lift it a little, I'll show my concern. You see how flimsy that is.
I wanna fly.
So imagine that at high speed, and we still got to go down further. There's gonna have to be some sort of support, something that holds the corners. There's already something that'll hold in this corner, but we need something that holds in the middle corner on each side, or it's just gonna fly away 100%. Also, I wanna preface again, I don't care about this hood, and I probably will end up replacing it anyways. This is because people said it would look better with a hood, so we're having fun and trying. I don't expect it to be perfect. If it so happens to be, we'll keep it. If not, we'll still get another one. So now we're just playing the game of cutting a little more, and a little more, and a little more, and it's fitting a little better, a little better, a little better. So we gotta keep doing it. Very tedious process. And John's a very tedious guy, so it's a perfect fit.
It's have to be cut down to like here with a half movement or something.
Not as straight as I am. Oh, it's the bolts.
This side's good.
Oh, we are not far off at all, actually. We did come into one minor issue though. We definitely cannot run that tube. There's no remote shot. Or we're cutting all the way down to the center. We're cutting it in half. All right, this should be the last cut. We got a smidge more, 1 or 2 more cuts. Unfortunately though, that piping right there, that ain't gonna work, so. All right, it's closed. I'm not 100% sure how functionality will be. It's not bad.
Can we clean it?
Sure, we can clean it. Let's clean it real quick.
Dude, it looks really good.
Is it?
Yeah. Will it run and drive?
I don't know, you'd have to check. Yeah. I mean, it's closed. All right, well, technically we've got a hood on. Obviously, like I said, we don't have the intake in, and I'm not 100% sure what we're gonna do with that, because we would have to cut probably down to here, which would be not fantastic. Other than that though, I mean, the hood closes. We are gonna clean things up a little bit, round edges off, and put like a little rubber thing all the way around, a little trim, so that it looks good. But what do you guys think? Everybody told me I needed a hood. I envisioned it in my head. I don't think it looks bad, but it definitely makes the high rim stick out a lot less, I think, at least.
Less?
Yes. All right, I just called Daniel and showed him. He said I definitely cannot drive around like that. And obviously this is really not gonna work. So if anybody in the comments can let me know an option to do to where I can actually run something, because as of right now, I still technically cannot run a hood. So
Subscribe.
we do need some sort of a fix for this. I don't think it's that complicated. I mean, it's just a pipe and a sensor. I do agree it looks clean. It definitely looks cleaner. I'll still definitely have to get the hood repainted too. Again, this thing got thrown around. It sat at a shop for 2 years. You can see some scuffs right there, scuffs on the corners. It sat on like a roof, and then during the hurricane it flew off. So the whole car needs to be paint corrected, ceramic coated, whatnot. And then again, I said when I hit 1 million followers on TikTok, we're gonna give this thing away. Still a little ways away, but trying to get the car as clean and prepped as possible for whoever gets it. Yeah, I kind of like it. I'm not gonna lie. You guys gotta let me know what you think. All right, fellas, well, unfortunately, that is where we're gonna leave it off today. I'm doing a little bit of research on what we can fit for the cold air intake wise. And also I'm trying to figure out why it's telling me that there is no coolant temp. I went ahead and we plugged everything back in as if we did have the cold air intake, and I still wasn't getting a reading. I don't know if it's just something I have to clear. I'm not 100% sure, but I really don't want to mess anything up. The goal today was to cut it and kind of make it to where the hood could go on, and we completed that goal. There's still some more we got to do, but this is a start. So please leave your comments down below if you guys have any sort of tips or tricks that we can do if you've done this before. Again, we didn't watch any videos or anything before going into this. We just started cutting. But that is gonna wrap up today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. We will see you in the next one, hopefully with, you know, a hood on or the R8 over there sold. But I don't know, that's it for this one. See you guys, peace out.